guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make 5-minute air-fried donuts. Yes, we are going to make homemade donuts, air-fried, so they're like a little bit healthier or whatever, and they're going to be done in 5 minutes. I mean, it really could not get better than that if you are a donut fan. So what makes this recipe really quick is that we use a pre-made dough, and we use the Pillsbury Grand biscuit dough, and after that you get 8 donuts out of it. One package, 8 donuts. I mean, that's winning. They're air fried. It's going to be super good. So just get that package of the biscuits, and then we're going to cut out the center to make donut shapes. So I have a little cookie cutter tool here that I just like to press in, and then that's how I get my center. But you can use anything that you have in your kitchen that is a circular shape. A shot glass, that might be a little big, but I mean, hey, have a big donut hole. I mean, why not, you know? So anything circular shape to cut out your center. And then a fun tip, you could actually make little donut holes out of the center. So once you make these donuts, you can actually make them any flavor that you want. So today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon sugar, because those are my fave, and then a quick glazed donut as well. All you're going to do is preheat your air fryer as it would say for you to do in the instruction manual. So I have my Omark air fryer here preheated to 350 degrees, and then we're going to get our donuts in our basket. So you're just going to give the basket of your air fryer a spray and then lay out 4 donuts into your basket. It's best not to squish them because then they get all stuck together, so I usually do 4 at a time. Then you're going to just hook it back in to your air fryer and let them cook on 350 for 5 minutes. And after that 5 minutes in the air fryer, you have yourself some things that are starting to resemble donuts. They should look something like this, and now it's time to get them topped with whatever you want to. So to make cinnamon sugar donuts, all you need is a little bit of butter melted and half of a cup of regular white sugar and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. So in that melted butter, you're just gonna dip your donut. You're gonna get a little messy here, and then just roll it in the cinnamon sugar, just enough so you got a good coating on, not to go crazy, and then move it to another plate. And that's all you gotta do to have cinnamon sugar, homemade air-fried donuts. I mean, and they're pretty banging. They taste delicious. You're gonna love them. For glazed, you're just gonna take 1 cup of confection sugar. You're gonna add to it about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and a little bit of vanilla and make a nice glaze. Then you're gonna dip the top of your donuts in, and you have homemade glazed donuts. So after that 5 minutes, you have delicious homemade air-fried glazed donuts or delicious homemade sugar cinnamon donuts. It's a super easy recipe. You could do it in minutes. It does not even take a lot of cleanup. It's really the perfect thing to do quickly, and they're air-fried. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.